Here's the deal. I'm not here to waste your time.
Just look
Okay,
up.
I certainly hope you're not here to waste mine. So I'm gonna keep
Just
this short.
look up.
Become an employee of this firm.
Look
you will
up.
make your first million within
Look
3
up.
years. Okay?
Look up.
I'm gonna repeat that. You
Look
will
up.
make $1 million.
You see the sun is getting brighter, but I've been the just a lighter, cause you know I go in the cider, can't fucking sire, you know about the sire, yeah you better get on your knees and say please, because you know I've been the pleader, you know about that unknown bleeder, cause I do not bleed the bleeder, you know that I go by the motherfuckers, I fight the leaders, you know I made them go out and they been flowing, you know they've been overloaded like they never knowing, but you know I've been the one that coming back, you know I'm rolling. I've been on my wheels, I've been for full reels, cause you know I've been forever. What you gonna thrills about this deals? You know I've been the Delta, cause you know I make you melt. And motherfuckers know about my powers that I put forever. You know I've been the better taster that you taster. You know that I put you down and then I go and waste you. You know I've been a little kid, but that's what I've been doing for real. I've been for real. You know I be vanilla, but that's just my white tighter. You know about me now, you know I've been the flame lighter. You know I blaze the night, yeah, you know about my flying. You know that I've been the fucking airplane, the outer sider. You know I've been the sire, so you better get down and you breathe. You know about what I've been seeing. I've been the unknowner because I ain't an unthroner. Motherfuckers know about me now, you know I've been forever. You know I've been forever, cause you know I make it better. Cause you know I make them raps, but they are for real. You know I roll them up like I've been rolling rellas. Motherfuckers know about me now, you going and tell us. Cause you know I've been the one that called up. Coming back, you know I've been the one that go and hold up. Cause you know I've been the one to shrug it off like I've been shrugging off my shoulder. Go ahead, I knock you over with the big largest boulder. You know about me now, you know I hit you with the crow. And yeah, it's been the bar, so come on with it for. You know I've been the fool loaded, but I'm not a gun, but I fucking blaze some. Go ahead, I lay some. I've been the killer for really, you know I've been vanilla, so I made you melt up into this fucking scene. You know I ain't seen her, but you can't see me. You know about my fucking blanger, but I had no chainer. You know about my gamer, yeah, I've been the gamer, cause I've been the Hall of Famer. Coming back, I'm hard to banger. You know I've been the flamer, man, I've been the heater creeper. Coming back with every flow that you will never hear a seeker. You know about me now, you know I hit you with the F5. Now I've been sitting here still alive, so I sit through the fucking loud stereo, sitting here making it go like the rodeo. You cannot overload me, because I've been the one to keep on going with my flow.